Hello. We are happy to announce one good news. In an effort to celebrate literature and to keep the skill of story writing alive among the youngsters of the state, Pranamee Barua Foundation is going to organize Pranamee Barua Memorial Children's on the Spot Story Writing Competition, for the third time. The date is fixed on 11th of May, 2019, Saturday, at 3:15 p.m. and the venue is Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School at Silpahuri, Guwahati 3 Assam. Children from Class 5 to Class 8 are eligible to participate in the competition. The participants can write either in English or Assamese. Participants are requested to carry their own pen and hardboard. Paper for writing will be provided by us. The time allotted and the topic of the story will be given on the spot. The results of the competition will be declared in newspapers, social media later as well as in this website. The winners will be awarded at a function later with a trophy, a certificate and a gift pack. We anticipate support and enthusiasm from children and their parents or guardians to make this competition a success. Kindly browse our website www.pallavi.pratims.in or contact our founder trustee Mrs. Juna Barua over 9854351370 or organizer Dr. Pranamee Barua over 8876520788. If there are any queries regarding the same, kindly share the video if you think that some of your friends might be interested to take part in this competition. Hope to meet you at the event. Thank you.